best voice changers for YouTube videos. So hello guys, if you also want to use some of the best voice changers for YouTube videos, here's what I recommend for you guys. So for here on the first link we have the Magic Mic, which is a popular choice for YouTubers as it offers a variety of voice effects and its user-friendly interface. So you can definitely try this out as it's one of the best for voice changing. And on the second list we have Voice.ai, which is also known for its high quality voice transformations, making it suitable for both live streaming and video content. So you can definitely try this out as well, as it's one of the coolest AI technology or for best voice changer for YouTube videos. And third on our list is vidnose.com. So it's also one of the best video voice changers for YouTube videos, and it offers a selection of free voice changers that are easy to use and effective for your video editing. So you can also try this out for yourself to edit your voice changing videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.